It's becoming increasingly common in software development or IT-focused companies to hear the phrase technical debt or tech debt. But what does it actually mean? That's what we're going to cover in this video. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps this small channel grow. Tech debt is a concept in technology that describes the cost of choosing a quick or easy solution now instead of a better, longer-term one. It's a bit like financial debt. You borrow time or effort today, but you pay interest later in the form of extra work, higher risk, and growing complexity. In software development, tech debt often comes from writing messy code, skipping tests, or building quick fixes rather than solid designs. These shortcuts help teams deliver fast, which can be essential under tight deadlines or when validating new products. However, over time, the code becomes harder to read, maintain, or extend. Simple changes might take hours or days because developers have to untangle confusing logic or fix unintended side effects. That's the interest accumulating on tech debt. However, tech debt isn't just limited to developers. It affects IT operations too. In IT, tech debt can mean running outdated hardware, delaying software upgrades, or using manual processes instead of automation. For instance, a company might postpone upgrading servers to avoid costs or downtime. While it saves money in the short term, it can lead to higher security risks, more frequent outages, and expensive emergency fixes when systems finally do break. Similarly, relying on old scripts or manual configurations increases the chance of human error and makes systems harder to manage or scale. Not all tech debt is bad. Sometimes taking on debt is a strategic decision. A business might knowingly accept shortcuts to meet a launch date, planning to fix things later. Problems arise when teams ignore the debt or underestimate its impact. Left unmanaged, tech debt in software and IT can slow innovation, frustrate staff, and drive up costs. Good tech debt management means tracking known debts, refactoring code, updating systems regularly, and balancing speed with long-term quality. Whether in development or IT, the key is being intentional, understanding when it makes sense to take on debt, and ensuring there's a plan and time to pay it back before the interest becomes overwhelming. Have you ever worked for a company that had built up some serious tech debt, and what was the outcome? Let me know down in the comments, and please do subscribe if you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.